Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTech. In today's video, we're diving into a super handy AI-powered tool called Wondershare EdrawMind, designed to make mind mapping faster, easier, and smarter than ever before. Imagine creating a fully structured mind map from just one sentence. Yes, that's what EdrawMind can do. With its AI-enhanced prompts, you can generate detailed mind maps in seconds. The download link is in the description below. Once you've installed it, go ahead and open up the software. Here's what the main interface looks like. You'll notice a wide selection of templates on display. Right at the top, there are several categories including creative mind maps, basic and advanced education, project planning, IT, conference plans, and more. On the right side, there's the AI Quick Mind Map feature. All you need to do is enter your topic into the box, and just like that, the AI generates a complete mind map for you. There's also the option to create slides with a single sentence. The one-sentence slide tool lets you instantly turn ideas into polished presentation slides. Beyond that, EdrawMind also offers productivity tools like NoteMap, OCR, and even a YouTube video summarizer. It doesn't stop there. There are also powerful image tools like Smart Cutout, Smart Remover, Photo Enhancer, and Image Super Resolution to enhance your visuals. Let's create a mind map using a simple input, grow online sales. Just hit enter and EdrawMind will start generating a complete mind map based on that phrase. There's no need to brainstorm or manually structure your ideas. The AI does it all. And yes, every part is fully editable. You can switch styles, click any node to expand it, or even generate slides directly from individual nodes. The Generate AI button offers several features: expand ideas with subtopics, one-click complete mind map, generate 5 questions or 5 ideas, polish your writing, change tone or length, translate into other languages instantly. Spell check, smart annotations, and formatting tools are also built in. You can adjust styles, colors, borders, and layouts. Choose from layout types like tree maps, timelines, organizational charts, fishbone diagrams, tree tables, and more. On the right panel, you'll find customization tools to change themes, font styles, connector lines, and more. Add icons, symbols, arrows, stickers, or clip art to give your mind map a personalized touch. Once your mind map is ready, you can export it in multiple formats: PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Now on the top left corner, you'll find different viewing options. Mind map mode. This is the default view outline mode. Automatically generates a text-based outline version of your map. Great for skimming and organizing ideas. Kanban mode. Transform your content into a visual task board. Super useful for task and workflow management. Slides mode. Automatically convert your mind map into presentation slides to create a PowerPoint from your mind map. Click Slides, select a design from the template gallery. Click Generate PPT. In just a few seconds, EdrawMind will turn your mind map into a polished, professional-looking PowerPoint presentation. Look at how neat and well-designed the result is. You can preview it, make adjustments, and export it when you're ready. In the AI Tools section, you'll find eDraw AI Assistant, AI Drawing, Image Text Extraction, OCR, AI Export options. Plus, you still have all the powerful image tools we talked about: Smart Cutout, Smart Remover, Photo Enhancer, Image SR, Image Compressor, Watermark Remover. As you can see, Wondershare EdrawMind transforms how we create, visualize, and present ideas. Whether you're a student working on an assignment, a teacher preparing for class, a manager planning projects, or a content creator organizing concepts, this tool will absolutely boost your productivity. The download link is in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.